Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and beautiful color. Kids, first color name: green color, light green color, orange color, blue color, light pink color, sky blue color, pink color, brown color, red color and yellow color. Kids, shapes drawing: green color, rectangle. Kids, rectangle. Circle. Cylindrical. Pentagon. Heart. Kids, heart. Rounded square. Kids, colorful. Sky blue color. Rectangle. Brown color. Circle. Brown color. Circle. Light pink color. Cylindrical. Light pink color. Cylindrical. Light green color. Kids, pentagon. Red color. Kids, red color. Heart and black color. Rounded square. Kids, rounded square. Rectangle, circle, cylindrical, pentagon, heart, rounded square. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.